cheese. So we're chopping the tree down. So today is day one of the washroom project. So the trees come down, lots of firewood. Hello and happy Friday, or should I say pie day, because today I'm trialling making beef pies because I've just wanted to do it. Okay, so lots of nice gravy in there. Now let's try it. There are more pies here. So the pies will be made from meat from the farm. I'm going to start off with beef, see how I get on. And the idea being that I just got this vision that Dale Farm, we should be able to try and sell as much produce as we can directly from the farm. And pies, hopefully people like pies, we might be able to sell pies. So I'm trialling them today. Here we have, the pies are ready. They look good to me. Welcome to another rainy Saturday morning. Yesterday was day one of the big build. We're building a washroom, a new facilities block at Dale Farm. So 2 trees came down, and I will be spending the majority of my day today moving all of the wood into a safe place so we can dry it out, and eventually we'll burn it on the fire to keep warm. It's a really, really horrible day to be working outside or camping. Doris is enjoying the leaves off the tree, aren't Doris? So I've been chopping the tree back, and this is just the leaves the animals will eat over. It's 6:30 on Sunday, the last Sunday in September, and it's still pretty dark. Can you hear the owl? I've just been up getting the campsite washrooms ready for the day. Feeling pretty tired last night, so I had a good night's sleep and ready to attack the day again today. This is rain in a bucket that was empty yesterday lunchtime because we had coal in it, and now it's got a good, I don't know, a good few inches of rainwater has fallen. It's been very wet. Things have become very wet as a result of a lot of rain. The fields are soaked. So I checked the weather forecast, and apparently there's another tropical rainstorm, a hurricane coming over from the US. Hurricane Lorenzo, one of the biggest ever hurricanes apparently. So that's not good for the week, it's not good for the farm, it's not good for the campsite, it's not good for the building project. So I have to just wait and see what happens. So the sheep are having a good shake off. It's been pretty wet for them the past few days, but there's plenty of grass, and the lambs are growing well, looking well, so that's good. There's a river running down the yard, an actual river. There's rivers running everywhere. So the water runs down the lane, down the farmyard, and then it goes through here into our neighbour's garden. Look at that!
It doesn't feel too bad. I think it's just the volume of water.
This is my don't want to go outside Sunday lunch of gammon from the farm and eggs. Very nice. It's now Sunday afternoon. I'm just getting geared up to go back outside again, as I didn't finish my campsite jobs, and the campsite is still running, although now that it's nearly October it will be much quieter. But Dad's still on holiday, so I've got some extra responsibilities to do outside, and the weather, yeah, it makes me feel a bit anxious, and it sounds like it's going to get worse, so just got to keep thinking positive and going to put something happy in my ears to listen to and get trucking, get working. Well, it's not raining, so it's a good start to the day. Monday, the last day in September, so I'm feeling quite happy about no rain and some special mist over the fields. Here comes the sun. So that's one of the trees out, tree roots, tree over here, digging towards from. Another twig root. It's Tuesday the 1st of October and the rain bucket is nearly full. And the cat's going back in. Might be raining outside, but just got to keep smiling, keep drinking your tea and coffee. Today the wall's coming down. That's the roots manoeuvre. Hi, it's Saturday morning and we are about to get the lambs in because we're going to tag a few in preparation for the next sale. So, ever so quietly, we're bringing them down. Come on! It's a very calm morning today. No sign of that storm yet, so watch this space.
Well, it's the gathering up the store lamb sale next week. It's a dry day, so got to get all the lambs in and tag them and just give them a general check over. One or two, I think, what the feet just maybe spraying, but okay.
I think they're looking quite well, the lambs. So we're checking over the lambs. This one's got a bad foot, so it's just going to be treated.
Steady.
That one's not got a bad foot. Leaping through the air.
Well, the lamb's looking very good. They're just 4 or 5 just needed the feet looking at, and hopefully they'll have a week to straighten out. So, yeah, looking quite good. And they're going out to a fresh pasture today, which will also help. So, pleased.
That's it for today's video. Hope you've enjoyed watching what we've been getting up to. Please give the video a like if you have enjoyed the content, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more, and see you next time. Bye.